Long ago, in a green and peaceful valley, lived a baby dinosaur named Dino. He wasn't the biggest or the fastest dino. In fact, he was the tiniest in his whole herd. The other dinosaurs could stomp, roar, and race through the fields. But Dino? He had tiny feet and a quiet little roar. Still, what Dino did have was something very special, a big, kind heart. Every morning, while the other dinos played, Dino helped others. He carried berries to the elder dinos. He helped baby birds back to their nests. And he always shared his leaves, even if he only had a few. One day, a loud crack echoed through the valley. A heavy storm had knocked over trees and blocked the river. Everyone panicked. "We must clear the trees," said the big Triceratops. "But they're too heavy," shouted the Stegosaurus. Dino looked around. "Maybe I can help." The other dinosaurs laughed gently. But Dino didn't give up. He walked down the hill, through the muddy path. He found a group of small animals, frogs, turtles, birds, struggling in the dry dirt. Dino gently lifted branches and made tiny tunnels through the fallen trees. He worked carefully, all day long. Finally, a path opened up and the water began to flow again. The frogs jumped, the turtles splashed, and everyone cheered. Dino did it. Back at the herd, the bigger dinosaurs watched in amazement. The Triceratops smiled. "Your heart is bigger than any of us imagined." From that day on, Dino wasn't just the smallest. He was the bravest, the kindest, and the most loved in the valley. Moral of the story: you don't have to be big to make a big difference. A kind heart is the strongest of all. Thanks for watching.